A simple traditional Italian tomato sauce contains tomatoes, garlic, a little bit of sugar, a splash of vinegar, and a few shakes of dried herbs. This is a quick, fresh tomato sauce for two that comes together in no time. Step 1. Grate 5 Roma or plum tomatoes into a medium-ish saute pan. Yes, grate them. Cut your tomato in half and put the cut side against the box and everything will be okay. You don't need any pressure, just go easy and you'll find the skins won't grate and they're all you'll be left with. It's pretty much a perfect system. If grating your tomatoes sounds alien and dangerous, you can always chop them up with a knife and dump them in, but now you have a ton of tomato skins in your sauce and no one has ever asked for more skin on their pasta. Your call though. Set your pan over medium-low heat and let it start cooking down while you finish the rest. Step 2. Mince up 1 clove of garlic. And then it goes. 3. Throw in 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon each of dried basil, dried oregano, and salt. And your last ingredient is a few grains of pepper. Give it a stir every few minutes and let it cook until it's reduced by about 1/3. Might take 15 or 20 minutes. You want it to thicken and cook the tomatoes through, but you still want it to be pretty fresh. So after about 20 minutes, there you are, done. The sauce is just thickened up to about where we want it, but you might want to let it thicken a little bit longer. Might want to let it go a little sooner if you like it thinner. It's your kitchen, amigo. Boil some good pasta to throw in it and tell your friends you made tomato sauce from scratch. Better yet, call it pomodoro like they do in the old country and score yourself some kitchen cred. I'm not going to show you any substitutions or variations because if your tomatoes are good, this is perfect the way it is and there are no hard to find ingredients. But if you can't find Romas, use any other kind that looks good. Other varieties tend to hold more water in them, so they'll take longer to cook down to the consistency you want, but they'll work just fine. And if it came from your garden, it's the perfect tomato no matter the variety. This stuff is good in the fridge for about a week, but the whole point is freshness, so you really want to make it pretty close to dinner time so it doesn't sit around. I love you for watching all the way to the end. It means a lot and thank you for that. If I helped you in any way, you can help me by hitting the subscribe button and throwing a like my way. If you have any questions, I'll answer them in the comments, so go on and say hi. I hope you learned something. Peace.